Alright, today we're learning how to solve algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions are fractions that have signs and symbols in them, something like this, So what do we do here? Here we cross multiply in a way that our x will still remain on the left hand side, and the symbol will go like this and like this. So this gives us 5 times x equals to 2 times 3. Alright, and this will give us 5x equals to 6. We divide both sides by 5, our x will be equal to 6 over 5. Right, another example can be 2x over 3 equals to 4 over 5. Alright, in this case, like we did before, the variable has to be on the left, so we have 5 times 2x equals to 3 times 4. This will give us 10x equals to 12. Divide both sides by 10. You have 12 over 10, which is reduced to 6 over 5. And in mixed form, that will be 1 over 1 over 5. Alright, let's look at another example. That will have x over 4 plus 2 equals to 3. And in this case, we can move the plus 2 to the right hand side and cross multiply. So 4 will be equal to 3 minus 2. So we'll have x over 4 be equal to 1. Obviously, our x has to be equal to 4. Don't need to overstress this because it's 4 divided by 4. That will give you 1. So our x has to be 4. Alright. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's look at another example where we'll have 2x all over 3 plus 2 all over 3 equals to 4. Alright, in this case we identify the denominators of all the fractions, then we multiply through by the LCM. The LCM of the denominators, 3 and 1 will be 3. So we use that 3 and multiply each of the terms. Alright, plus 3 times 2 all over 3 equals to 3 times 4 all over 1. Now this 3 takes care of this 3. You are left with 2x. This 3 also takes care of this 3. You are left with plus 2. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Alright. Now we need to move the 2 to the right hand side. A way of collecting like terms. That becomes 12 minus 2. And 2x will be equal to 10. Of course, from what we know about equation, our x has to be equal to 5 because it's 2 times 5. That will give you 10. Alright, so let's look at other examples. Let's look at other examples. Let's say 2 over 3 minus x over 4 equals to 1 over 2. Alright, in this case, the LCM of 3, 4, and 2 is 12. Yes, it's 12. So we use that 12 and multiply each term. So we have it as 12 times 2 over 3 minus 12 times x over 4 equals to 12 times 1 over 2. So the 3 will go into 12 will give us 4. 4 times 2 give us 8 minus 4 going to 12 will give us 3. 3 times x will give you 3x equals to 2 going to 12 is 6. 6 times 1 will give you 6. So by way of collecting like terms, we'll have minus 3x equal to 6 minus 8, and minus 3x will be equal to minus 2. Alright, divide both sides by minus 3. We have minus 3x all over minus 3, minus 2 all over minus 2. So our x will be equal to minus times minus is plus. So we have 2 over 3. That's the value of x. 2 over 3. Let's look for another example. Alright, so let's learn how to solve this. Okay. And equals to 2. So the method I want us to use is to multiply through by the LCM of the denominator. And the LCM here is actually 3x. So we use the 3x and multiply each term. Minus 3x times 1 over 3 equals to the 3x. We also multiply the 2. And x goes into x here. We're left with 3 times 2, which will give you 6. Minus 3 cancel out 3 here. We'll be left with x. X times 1 will give you x. And here 3x times 2 will give you 6x. You can collect like terms by taking the minus 6x to the left hand side and take the plus 6 to the right hand side. And everything gives you minus 7x equals to minus 6. If we divide both sides by minus 7, we have it that our x will be 6 over 7. That's the answer. Alright, let's learn how to solve this algebraic fraction. Let's learn how to solve this algebraic fraction. So we identify the denominators and multiply through by the LCM. The LCM of x, 4 and 1 is 4x. So we use that 4x and multiply each term. Minus 4x times 1 over 4. And this is equal to 4x times 3. So the x will go into x. We're left with 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Minus the 4 will go into 4 is 1. X times 1 will give us x equals to 4x times 3 will give us 12x. So collect like terms by taking the 12x to the left, we'll have minus 12x minus x equals to minus 8. And this will give us minus 13x equals to minus 8. If we divide both sides by minus 13, we have it that our x will be equal to 8 over 13. Alright.